Hello, bank. I'd like to deposit $1,000 into my savings, please. Why, of course, we'll keep this perfectly safe for you, and for trusting us, we'll pay you 0.03% in interest. Sweet, thanks. Hey, bank, I was wondering if I could borrow some money for school. Yeah, of course. How much do you need? Just $1,000. Oh. Well, we just so happen to have $1,000 right here. Here you go. But remember, you have to pay us 7% in interest for letting you borrow our money. Okay, that's fine. Thanks. Hey, bank, here's your money back along with the extra $70 to cover the interest. Great. Thank you. Hey, bank, can I withdraw my money from my savings account, please? Yes, of course. Here you are, perfectly safe, just like how you left it. Oh, and I completely forgot your interest for saving your money with us. Wait, hold on. You guys are only giving me 30 cents when you used my money to lend it to the other guy, and you guys